Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba gawing team sa Messenger ang ating photo. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, make sure na updated yung Messenger app na gagamitin natin. And then pagka-update, i-open lang natin yung ating Messenger. And then dito guys, sa ating messenger, mula dito sa pinakang chat list, mag-open lang kayo ng isang conversation kung saan gusto nyong lagyan ng themes gamit ang photo. So, halimbawa guys, is ito. So, makikita nyo wala siyang themes and plain lang yung nakadisplay dito sa aming conversation. So, para malagyan, ang gagawin nyo lang guys is itap nyo itong button na to na parang exclamation na nakabaliktad. And after yan guys, piliin nyo lang yung theme. And dito, tap nyo naman yung upload an image. And then, pili na kayo guys ng image na gagamitin ninyo para dun sa themes ng inyong conversation. So, itap nyo lang yung photo na gusto nyo gawing themes. And dito guys, is ikakrop nyo lang kung ano ba yung pinakang image ang gusto nyo ilagay sa inyong conversation. So, ito guys yung magiging crafted na themes natin. So, kayo nang bahala kung saan nyo gustong i-paste or i-position yung ating magiging theme. So, kapag okay na guys, tap natin yung save. And ayan guys, ganito na yung magiging preview ng ating theme sa conversation. So, kung okay na kayo dito, tap nyo na yung select. And automatic yan guys, mapapalitan na yung theme natin dito sa conversation. And kung makikita nyo guys, andito yung photo. So, ayan. So, ganun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba gawing themes ang ating photo. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.